everyone, and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Level 8 luggage. What I have here is the Voyageur Check-in luggage in 24 and 26 inch. And I also got the packing cube set. For this particular set, it comes in 3 different colors: mustard yellow, black, and navy, which is the color that I got. They are very sleek, hard shell. They are made of German Macrolon polycarbonate, which is fancy for being very durable, heat resistant, impact resistant in low and high temperatures. They have a wide handle design made so you have more increased packing space, and it is made out of aluminum alloy. They have 360 ultra spinner wheels, and it makes it so just moving it around glides like butter. Now this set sells for $415.99, but they provided me with a 10% off code, LaurenL10. All the details will be in the description, and that code is for everything off their site. They have so many cool pieces. They have full aluminum luggage. They have glitter ones. They have vintage looking ones, all different kinds. They have accessories like the packing cubes. This has 4 pieces and it sells for $49.99. And if you know me, you know that I love packing cubes. I have done tons of video reviews on how to pack your suitcase. I will link my most popular ones below. You got cosmetic bag, and it has the dividers inside, making it so you can be a lot more organized. They have one for other small items, one for clothes, bigger one for clothes, and they have these nice rubber interchangeable designs on here, so depending on what you're packing, you can easily take them off and put a different one on so you know what's inside each bag. The packing cubes are also anti-mildew and water resistant and 2-tone polyester fabric. They are very nice, very lightweight. Also with the luggage, they have TSA approved locks. The TSA has a special key that they can unlock the suitcase with and check inside if they need to, but it has a lock on here so people can't open up your suitcase. It is locked unless you have your combination. These are also very lightweight. All the dimensions and how much capacity they hold is on their website if you are curious. Now listen, I know $415 seems like a lot of money, but they do offer different payment options. They have Venmo, PayPal, Apple Pay, but they also have 4 interest-free installments with Shop Pay, just in case you don't have all the money up front. So if you're going on a trip soon or in need of some new luggage, check out Level 8. You will not be disappointed. And don't forget to use my code LaurenL10 to get 10% off and free shipping. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.